Hi friends, welcome to Baking with Michelle. My name's Michelle and I'm a Munchies Counselor. Today I'm super excited to bake with you all as we are making the best homemade Rice Krispie squares. Put on an apron, wash your hands, and come join me. The first step for this recipe is we need to get out our ingredients. What we need is Rice Krispie cereal, we need marshmallows, we need butter, some salt, and some vanilla extract. Our second step is we are going to get out a pan and we are going to line that with some parchment paper, and this is where our marshmallows are going to be placed. After you put your parchment paper over your pan, you're going to get some canola oil, or I have some non-cooking spray, and you're just going to spray that over the parchment paper. This ensures that our Rice Krispie treats don't get all sticky and then we are not able to cut them and enjoy them. Next, we are going to get the biggest pot you have in your kitchen and we are going to put 3/4 of a cup of unsalted butter and melt that down on medium heat. Make sure you have a parent there to help you, as sometimes it can get a little bit tricky with the stove. After your butter is melted on medium heat, you're going to add 3 cups of marshmallows. So in our pot right now, we have a 3/4 of a cup of melted butter, now 3 cups of melted marshmallows. Now, what I personally do as just a little touch is I add a 1/2 cup or so of my marshmallows, but I don't fully melt them down. The reason we're doing this is so that we can still have a little bit of marshmallow seeing through in our Rice Krispie treats, so it's really gooey. Now, once we have added our marshmallows, we are going to remove our big pot from our stove. Make sure to turn off your heat. After that, we are going to stir in a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and just a pinch of salt. Next, we are going to fold in 8.5 cups of our Rice Krispie cereal. If you don't have that cereal today, no worries. You can definitely be super creative and you can even add like those Flintstone pebbles that are super colorful. After you have made sure that each and every cereal is covered, you are going to transfer your whole marshmallow treats into your pan that you have put aside. A super fun trick to make sure that your marshmallows actually turn into real life squares is you get a spatula and you take the same oil or cooking spray that you use to line your parchment paper and just spray it over the spatula. And when you are transferring your marshmallow treats into your pan, you just gently pat them down. So once they are rested, you can easily cut them into a square, and they actually look like Krispie treats. You can also add, for a fun little creative bonus, some sprinkles on top if you want them to make them rainbow, or you can even add some chocolate chips. It's totally up to you. Once you have patted down your Rice Krispie treats, you are going to let that sit for an hour. I know, an hour is super long, but the reason we do this is we want to make sure that once we cut our Rice Krispie treats, that they don't fall apart and all your hard work is ruined. So set a timer, maybe enjoy outside activities, and come back in an hour to enjoy the amazing marshmallow treats you just created. After an hour, what you're going to do is you're going to pick up your marshmallow treats by the parchment paper and you're going to put them on a hard surface, and you're going to start to cut them into any size of squares you want. Congrats! You guys all did so amazing. Thank you so much for baking with me today. I had so much fun. I hope you guys did too. Stay tuned for our next video with Baking with Michelle. Bye guys! Thank you!